Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I'm Katashi and welcome. For today's video, I'm going to show you how I make something other than banana bread with my ripened banana. So first I'm going to take some pancake mix and put it in a bowl. That's like 2/4 cups. And then I'm going to add some water to it. Then I'm going to take my ripe or softened banana and cut it into slices and then dip them into the batter and then fry them up. For this recipe, you do not need any added sweetness. The bananas will be sweet enough. All you have to do is cut up some fruits, put it in your plate with the banana bits, and have some tea, like I'll show you in a few minutes. Make sure to fry them on all sides. You don't want to have a raw batter pancake. So guys, I totally forgot I was recording and I had to just bite into one. This is how it looks. So there you have it guys. This is what I do with my overripe bananas if I'm not making a banana bread. I do them like this, then I add some fruits to it. And that's how it's looking. Now I'm going to just have some ginger tea with this. And to make this ginger tea, you don't need to add sugar to it. It already has honey infused in it. It says honey on the package. And just mix. There you have it guys, what I eat for breakfast sometimes. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to comment and to turn on that post notification bell so you know when I upload a new video each and every week. Okay? Bye!